suing me? I've never been served with a lawsuit.
That doesn't surprise me. The rigged system protects their own. You're protected by the rigged system, Rogie. It all got thrown out, huh? These cops got this African-American couple surrounded, got them pulled out of their vehicle. They're going through their car, searching it. We're going to stay here, try to make sure these cops don't kill anybody. Cops have killed over 800 people so far this year in America. These cops don't even look barely old enough to own a firearm, yet alone carry one. Okay, so we have the Jackson County Sheriff's Department out here today, harassing and collecting from citizens of the community. Looks like Deputy Sukovich over there. He's usually a TM unit, traffic management. That's where he focuses primarily on traffic enforcement. He was nothing more than a snot-nosed little punk when he was growing up. Now he's a bully cop throwing his weight around on people. Way to go, Deputy Sukovich. Way to go. Hey, Officer Deputy Rug.
Stand over there.
Aren't you being sued in federal court right now? Shame on you. Shame on you guys. Shame on what you're doing. Okay, so Roogie's going through his pockets. Who's this young kid cop?
What's up? You alright? Yeah, I just left the I waited on a second, I headed to the bank. They pulled me over because of my tent.
Okay, so
What, they give you a ticket for your tent? No, he's pretty straight up with me. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
that's what happens when the camera shows up. This is about police accountability. Make sure nobody's rights are violated. Well, the problem is with their cameras, you can't ever access them. They've got cameras, but they either delete the footage or you can't get to it. That's what they do. They try to put body cameras on to ease public opinion, to think that they're being transparent, but you can't get the video when you go FOIA request it, or it ends up deleted. You can't trust cops with their cameras. Okay, so the cops pulled this guy over for window tint. That's just an excuse to pull over a black man. Okay, so we're down here on the scene of a traffic stop. Got 3 Jackson Sheriff deputies. Pulled over a black man for too dark of a window tint. We all know that's just an excuse to pull him over so they can search his vehicle. Violate his 4th Amendment rights, searching his vehicle. The cop went through his pockets. It's time to take action, guys. Take action now. Record the police in your area. Okay. Look at this deputy. What?
Right there's good, Justin. Stop.
Is that an order?
Yeah.
Is that a lawful order?
Giving you a lawful order to stay right there, Justin.
You want to give me your name and badge number, officer? Deputy?
You just said it over there.
What's your name, deputy?
Bitch.
Thank you, Deputy Sukovich. If you're giving me orders, I'm going to ask for your name.
Okay.
So I can't walk on this public sidewalk?
I don't want you to go any closer to our investigation. We're about to be done, and then you can be on your way.
Well, you're impeding my investigation right now. You're impeding my investigation, Sukovich. I can't complete my investigation because you're impeding it.
Who am I getting sued by?
You want to identify yourself?
Deputy Rogie.
Deputy Rogie?
Yeah, who's suing me? You said I was getting sued.
Sued in federal court?
By who?
I'm not going over your lawsuit with you. You know about your lawsuit.
I've never been served with a lawsuit.
That doesn't surprise me. The rigged system protects their own. You're protected by the rigged system, Rogie. It all got thrown out, huh? There they go, off to extort more money. Thanks for watching this Freedom News Now video in Jackson, Michigan. Bait car catches dirty cops, huge lawsuit. Michigan police fishing expedition fail. ID refusal, First Amendment audit. Tyrant cops use illegal police stops to rapidly destroy the fabric of America. This Audit Cop Watch video demonstrates the danger of a police state in America. Civil rights must be defended and protected for current and future generations. Remember, tyrant cops and traitor judges will stop at nothing to destroy your freedom. The pursuit for accountability and transparency will live forever. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new police lawsuit, cops sued, cops owned, ID refusal, and amendment audit videos daily. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now, First Amendment Audit, and I'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment Audit. I'm out.